Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl CHEELAH Beauty, and yes, today's video I'm going to be doing in my makeup tutorial. And yeah, I just, as you can see, I wipe my face with my face cleanser and then go straight to my pond face primer. Then I blend it together to give me the inner pores. Like, I need to blend it together to enter my skin with my spooning brush. Then I go straight to my Flawless by Ivy hydrating mix to spray on my face. And yeah, then from there I go to my ZKL foundation. Actually, this makeup is basically about Nigeria brand products, so I go straight to my ZKL foundation and I apply a little foundation, not to be sticky, and I blend very, very well. From there, I'm going to go straight to my blending foam to blend my foundation together. Then I'm gonna set my face with my Pro Concealer. Fun, because I actually want my face to bake very well, to give it that baking look. So I am gonna apply my Pro Concealer. Actually used to use a little Pro Concealer, but I actually want to use an SS concealer today in today's look. So guys, going to use my Flawless by Ivy hydrating mix to set my face so that I can blend it with my blending foam. So I'm going to blend and blend very well. One thing about makeup I want you guys to know is you need to blend, so it's going to give you this flashback look. So I actually can blend for 10 minutes, guys, so that it's going to give me that blending look, and it's going to come out very, very well. So guys, please don't mind the background noise is draining. So I'm going straight to my Mary Kay contour palette. Like, I've been using this for like close to a year now, and I've been liking the feedback. Like, so I'm going to blend my contour. Like, I'm applying my contour right now, and it's giving me this light transition. It's not a matter of using a product, like, it's not a matter of using too much product. So you just use a light product to bring out the transition out. And yeah, I actually love that. So guys, I'm going straight to my Tatcha setting powder to apply to set my face. And yeah, I love this Shasha setting powder. Like, it's so
camera. I'm not yet used to like the struggles to film these brows for you, but as time goes on, I'll surely get it. So, guys.
And I'm going straight to my favorite eyeshadow palette, Juvia palette, and I'm using this transition to set my face. Like, this is to contour my eyelids. Like, yeah, I so much love this color. I really love this Juvia eyeshadow palette. So first, actually, it's a matte eyeshadow to contour your eyelid, and I'm going straight using my concealer base to set my underlid for it to bring out the eyeshadow out very well. And I'm actually going to cut crease. I'm doing a cut crease eyeshadow today. So guys, I'm going to my Flawless Ivy eyeliner base. This is my first time of using this. I just got it and I actually wanted to try the eyeliner out, and God, it was a bum. I so much love it. It's so dark and it's so, yeah, it's affordable. Flawless, everything flawless, it's so affordable. So I got it, and yeah, I actually love the outcome of the eyeliner, and actually use it under my eye also to bring out my eye transition. And yeah, and guys, I'm going into my favorite eyelashes brand, Lashes by CHEELAH. It is our lashes brand, and here it is one of my brand, and you're going to see my lashes is 100% Uma hair, and it's so affordable. And so I so much love these lashes, guys. I actually feel myself anytime I'm on these lashes. As you can see, I actually feel myself. Right now I'm removing the excess powder, like for it not to be too cloudy. I'm removing my excess powder to get this baking face look. And yeah, you're gonna blend it out, like just blend and blend and blend out. Yeah, like how my clients that comes to me knows that I like blending. I can blend for as much as possible. So I'm gonna blend that, and you can see even with the blending, it has actually, even without adding my powder, I have gotten what I want. And so I'm contouring my face with my face powder. I think in my next video I'm going to show you all my products I use. I didn't actually be detailed about the product I use now, but I'm going to show you the product I use in my next video. And yeah, I'm actually contouring with my Flawless powder palette. You guys will like everything flawless. Yes, I love flawless. I love Flawless Ivy, and yeah, I've been using them recently, and yeah, it has been a boom on me. So guys, I so much love this Flawless by Ivy hydration mix. I've been using it like consistently, and yeah, I'm going to my Soap Pro illuminator spray, and yeah, this is my first time of actually using this product also, and gosh, the bomb is, I so much love that. And yeah, so I'm gonna blend with my brush. I'm gonna show you I blend it so well. And yeah, I actually love the glow. It's not too much. It's giving me my, yeah, please don't mind that I actually I want to remove the title text, but it has not been coming up. So guys, just bear with me. So I'm going straight to my glow kit. Guys, I love this. You can see the glow. I love glow. A Nigerian sun is gonna make it shine more by the time you head the sun and take your pictures. So guys, I'm going to blend out the excess glow too, and yeah, because I actually want it to be in my skin. And I'm going through my flawless lipstick. I'm going to line my lips. I'm not going to show you the detail. Maybe in my next video I'm going to be detailed about my lip, and here I'm going to line my my lip with this lipstick. Sorry, I've forgotten the color, but it's not wine though. So guys, so guys, I'm done with my look, and I so much love my look. Like guys, when I went out that day, people were commenting and I was like, thank you guys. So I love my look, and yeah, this is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, and keep subscribing on my channel. Hit the notification button down below. I'm going to state all the products I use in my description box. And thank you guys, and when I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.